Hi guys, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Y'all, let's make something simple, cute, and sweet. Stay tuned. In yesterday's video, we made a gorgeous 3-compartment book-style stationery box. Today, we're going to keep it very, very simple, and we're going to make something so quick and easy that you can make these for any reason, any season, anyone in your life. I'm making these for Valentine's Day, but like I said, any season, any reason. And we are going to make some very narrow, they look like mini milk cartons. So that's what I'm going to call them, but they're going to be very narrow. And the beauty, one piece of 6x6 paper is all that you need to make this. So again, we can go back to our scraps, pull out some scraps, and create some wonderful little token gifts for Valentine's Day. So let's make this. So I am going to bring in my scoreboard and a 6x6 piece of paper from Anna Griffin's Valentine collection. And I am going to score this at 1, at 2 3/4, at 3 3/4, and at 5 1/2. And I'm just going to slide my 5 1/2 mark over because it isn't always centered on my board because it hits right here in the middle. Then I'll turn it to the opposite end, and I'm going to score this at 1 and at 4 1/2. Then I'll come back and I am simply going to fold and burnish all of my scores. And like I said, this one is a quick and easy project, and you can see just how quickly I'm able to make this little box bag. So now I'll come back, and there's only one piece that we need to remove, and it's going to be down on the bottom panels. So you'll have a wider top, and then you'll have a skinnier set of panels here at the bottom. And we are going to remove that one corner piece from those panels. And I'll come back with my finger blade, and I'm just going to angle cut in, and then I'll remove this. And now we're going to come back and just free the tabs along the bottom, and I will angle cut on both sides of those score marks. And now we can take our box and put it together. So I'll bring in my reptile glue, and I'm just going to place my glue on this narrow strip here, which is my glue flap. I'll come back with this piece. And I'll match them up, and then I will get it stuck down. And what we have here, guys, we've got flat fold boxes. So we'll just open this up, very simple. We will come back, fold in those sides, fold in the back, take our glue, place it on the bottom, make sure we've got our box squared, and then we'll come back in and we're just going to pinch in the sides until we get that shape that we want. And on this one, I am going to come back and just put a few Hershey's Kisses in it. Not many, but this will actually hold about 10 kisses. So when you look at it from the side, it looks like a little milk carton. So what I'm going to do here is just take some ribbon, tie it around, and this time I'm not going to tie a bow. I'm just going to tie it off into just a little knot. So I'll just bring this over and bring it through just like that. And now I have a cute little ribbon piece on here, and I'll just come back. I'm going to trim off a little bit of that. And you can see just how quick and easy that was. And then I'll come back with one of my little decorative pieces, and I am going to place that there. This is one of my decorative Anna Griffin embellishments, and I'll place it right here. And you guys can see just how quick and easy it was to make this. It was so quick and easy that we're going to make another one because we can do it in no time. So I'll put my paper in. I'll score at 1, at 2 3/4, at 3 3/4, and at 5 1/2. And now I'll turn it and I will score at 1 and at 4 1/2. And now I'll fold and burnish my scores. And I'll come back and I am just going to remove that piece in the corner. So I'll angle cut in, remove this piece, and then I'll angle cut on both sides of my score marks on the bottom. And now our box is ready to be put together. And I'm doing a second one so that you guys can see just how quickly we're able to make these and make a whole bunch in no time. So I've got my glue. I'll take this, match it up, come back with my bone folder, create yet another little flat fold box, open it up, and I'll fold in my sides. Put some glue on my back flap, and then I'll place some glue on this flap, and just like that we have yet another box. So I'll place some of my little kisses inside, then I'll come back and I'm simply going to pinch the top closed, and once we got the top pinched closed, it'll look like this on the side, and we've got a beautiful little Valentine's treat. And so now I'll come back with my ribbon. I am just going to wrap it around just like that, not tying a bow. And then I'll just come around, loop it through. And just like that, we have another cute little ribbon dressing for our box. So I'll just trim off a little bit. I'm going to come back with my second little sticker. Place that down, tuck that in under there. It says "Be Mine." And just like that, guys, we have these two gorgeous little Valentine's projects that we can make for coworkers, family members, friends, whomever. And like I said, change the paper. These are truly any season, any reason, any gender gifts. So I am going to bring in the two that I made so you can see this Valentine's awesomeness, because that's what it is. And y'all saw how easy it was to make the two that I just made. So I hope that you have liked this quick and easy project. And if you have, please hit the like button. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join my online crafting family. You guys have a great day. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.